Yo, welcome to the channel, guys. If you're new, make sure to subscribe. If you happen to enjoy this video, leave us a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel a lot. And yeah, let's hop straight into this video. Yo guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be reacting to this montage called My Return. It's a Minecraft PvP montage, and it's by TheShadowStar. Now, make sure you guys go show some love to him, go subscribe, give him a thumbs up, go check him out. I'm pretty sure he makes some amazing montages. Make sure you guys give him some support, it will really help him out a lot. If you happen to enjoy this video, make sure you leave a thumbs up. And yeah, let's start reacting. I'm going to be also explaining how to improve it for any parts I see that aren't as good as what they could be. So yeah guys, I'm also recording this on my phone because my microphone's broken on my computer and you literally can't hear a word I'm saying. So I'm going to be doing it on my phone for now till I manage to buy a new microphone, because I can't afford one at the minute. So for now we're going to be recording on his phone, same with audio and everything, but I will still be editing on my computer because I can still do that. So these videos are going to be hopefully just as good, maybe even better, but let's just see for this video. So yeah guys, let's start reacting to this video. Straight away, it's pretty cinematic already. Already, this part, definitely zoom out at least 1 or 2 blocks, because it's literally too zoomed in and you need to zoom out quite a lot. That's all I've got to say so far.
Over the edge,
it's like this.
Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh.
With that kill, you had a good combo and everything. When you were about to finish the kill, I would have slow-moed it for the very last second, and then that would have been an even better clip.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent.
For that, I would slow-mo it for the majority of it, but as I'm starting to fall down, I would speed it up. So definitely speed that clip up a little bit and make it a bit better. Although I'm pretty sure you've just timed it to break in the bed as the bait drop goes. Bass drop. I can't even speak now.
A feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all. Fearless.
So for that, you had a very fast final kill right before the beat drop. You then turned it to a black screen and then went into a combo. What I would have done is had it kind of slow-mo for the final kill, maybe a tiny black screen, and then that combo.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all. Fearless. Fearless.
That montage was very impressive. Honestly, I couldn't even say no the entire time. Like, there was like literally nothing bad about it. Like, wow. That's honestly a great montage. That was better than I expected. There were definitely a few things he could have changed to make it a lot better. The keystrokes, they are quite small and good. I want to say remove them to make it more cinematic. I would remove them or make them higher for adding black bars at the bottom and top. That would make it more cinematic and better looking. But I can't really say no. The only thing I can really say is at the start of this clip needs zooming out a lot. You literally can't even see no anymore, and it lasts like 1 or 2 seconds, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so I definitely stay maybe a little bit zoomed in more on this camera angle. Not having it I'm dying. I wouldn't have it as close as what it was, but still it's pretty good. And at the start, oh, he did. I was gonna say then add a fade to the start of the montage, but it turns out he did. So he's done a really good job. Honestly, this montage, I give it a 9.8 out of 10. There's still a few things he could have added, for sure, but I really enjoyed that montage. That montage was insane, bro. You guys gotta check him out. Links will be in the description. Yeah, guys, this has been Jacob. No,